Welcome to the In English Coffee Office. Today is Sunday, June 8th. And like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hey Alex, how's it going?
Hey David, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Just need this coffee to wake up. Long day ahead.
I know, right? I've got a big meeting later.
Oh, busy day for you two. Grab a coffee and let's chat for a bit.
Sure, I need a quick break. What's new with you?
Same old, same old. Just saw some crazy news this morning.
Oh really? What did you see?
First, there's this thing with Trump and China. He says it's super hard to make a deal with their leader.
Yeah, I read that too. It's about tariffs and trade stuff, right?
Exactly. I mean, if they don't agree, prices might go up for us.
True. It could affect our sales numbers. We need to keep an eye on that.
For sure. If stuff gets more expensive, clients won't be happy.
I wonder how it will change our projects. Trade deals are so important.
Yeah, no kidding. It's like a big puzzle for business.
It is. Let's hope they sort it out soon.
Fingers crossed. Hey, did you see the other news about tech and money?
You mean the thing with the economy and new tech trends?
Yep. They say global growth might slow down to just 2.9%. That's not good for us.
I saw that. It's because of trade worries and tariffs again.
Right. And tech isn't growing as fast. My sales depend on new gadgets.
I get it. For my projects, slow tech growth means delays sometimes.
Delays are the worst. I just want to close deals fast.
Same here. We need tech to move quicker for better results.
Totally. If the economy slows, my bonus might shrink.
Don't say that. But yeah, we all feel the pressure.
For real. Hey, let's talk about something fun now.
Sure. What else did you see in the news?
There's this cool story about the Miss World contest. A lady from Thailand won.
Oh, nice. I heard about that, but there's some drama too, right?
Yeah, some contestants said the organizers used them. Not cool.
That's sad to hear. It should be a happy event for everyone.
Exactly. I mean, it's a big show, but drama makes it messy.
True. I remember watching those shows as a kid. They were so exciting.
Me too. But now I just think about the gossip.
It's funny how things change. Still, I hope they fix the problems.
Yeah, let's hope. It's nice to see people win big, you know?
For sure. Celebrating talent is always a good thing.
Hey, speaking of winning, I've got a client call soon. Gotta win that deal.
Good luck with that. I've got to prep for my meeting too.
Thanks. Catch up later, okay?
Definitely. Have a good one, David.
You too, Alex. See you around.
See you later. Take care.
Hey, don't work too hard. Save some energy for tomorrow.
Haha, I'll try. You two don't stress over those sales.
Deal. Let's keep pushing, huh?
Always talk soon.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.